Hello, welcome to Tayana Solutions case study presentation. Here's a detailed explanation of the information presented in the provided sources, designed to be understandable for Acumatica consultants and users. Problem. The core issue discussed is that the development team faces challenges in Acumatica related to data visibility and performance optimization for specific use cases. This boils down to two main scenarios. Restricting data visibility. Certain data fields and records need to be hidden from the user interface, UI, for security or business logic reasons. However, this data still needs to be accessible programmatically for other processes. For example, sensitive financial information should not be visible to all users, but must be available for reporting or calculations. Enhancing performance. There's a need to create dynamically generated fields or views without loading unnecessary data into the cache. This is crucial for maintaining performance, especially in high transaction scenarios where large datasets or dynamic calculations are involved. For example, a commission field calculated on the fly for a sales report rather than being stored persistently. The problem was discovered because clients frequently requested customizations that required hiding fields for compliance and security reasons, as well as performance improvements for screens with large datasets or dynamic calculations. Initial implementations of these requests often involved workarounds like conditional visibility or manual calculations, leading to complexities and performance bottlenecks. Solution. The solution proposed involves leveraging two specific Acumatica attributes, PX Hidden and PX Virtual. PX Hidden. This attribute is used to mark data access classes, DAC, fields as hidden from the UI. It ensures that the data remains accessible programmatically while restricting visibility for end users. For example, this would allow hiding sensitive financial fields from standard users. PX Virtual. This attribute defines fields as virtual, meaning they are calculated or populated dynamically. This optimizes performance by eliminating the need for persistent storage. For example, creating a dynamically calculated commission field for a sales report. This reduces overhead of unnecessary data storage and retrieval. Tools used. PX Hidden attribute, used for hiding sensitive data from the user interface. PX Virtual attribute, used for dynamically calculated fields, enhancing performance. DAC, data access classes. Both attributes are implemented at the DAC level. Modules impacted. While the specific modules are not mentioned, the impact of this solution is across any module within Acumatica where there is a need to secure sensitive data and need to hide fields from the UI, improve performance through dynamic calculation of fields or by not storing data persistently. Examples of potential impact could be modules like financials, hiding sensitive financial data, sales, calculating commissions. Any module that deals with large datasets and requires performance optimization. Example. Let's consider an example in the sales module. A company needs to hide the cost price field from the standard sales order screen for regular sales users for security and compliance purpose. They also need to show a commission field, which is calculated based on the sale price of an item on the sales report. PX Hidden. The PX Hidden attribute would be applied to the cost price field within the corresponding DAC of sales order screen, making it invisible in the UI for regular users. However, the cost price data can still be accessed programmatically for reports or other processes. PX Virtual. The PX Virtual attribute would be used to create a new commission field in the sales report. The commission will be calculated at runtime when report is generated, which can be calculated at runtime based on a formula using a sales price of an item. This removes the need to persistently store calculated commission amount in a database column. Outcomes. By using PX Hidden and PX Virtual attributes, the following outcomes were achieved. Security and compliance. Sensitive data is now hidden, reducing the risk of accidental exposure. Performance optimization. Dashboards and screens load faster by leveraging virtual fields without the additional database overhead. Positive client feedback. Clients have provided positive feedback on how the ability to handle sensitive data securely while improving system performance has significantly streamlined operations. Speaker and company introduction. The presenter is Mayuri, who works as a software engineer at Tayana Solutions. Mayuri has 5+ years of experience in the ERP space, helping clients implement and support various ERP solutions. She has worked on over 200 unique scenarios, including 5 reports, 10 generic inquiries, 5 business events, 100 base screen customizations, 30 inquiry screen customizations, and 10 mobile app customizations across all Acumatica editions. Tayana Solutions is described as the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP. They have a large team of consultants who help Acumatica partners and customers in implementing, customizing, and supporting the ERP software. They offer services to speed up and optimize business processes, quick resolutions for support cases, and aiding on-site consultants. Tayana Solutions can be contacted at 6789102774 to discuss how they can help a business.